Jay's adventure.
Hi, my name is Leiloha and I am here starting my first video, and I am excited to share my journey with you guys, and I hope you guys can join me with my journey, and I will be sharing you guys how to spread positivity and have fun to be inspired.
구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정 많이 해주세요.
So they departed, and so he was.
I was at one of the yards and I thought this place was closed.
No, that's where they went out. It was like this side.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Jay's adventure.
Jay's adventure.
Subscribe and like and share.
Live on the bottom of the bottom left.
You don't know your left and right.
You want to go in now? Okay. Maybe like 30 seconds.
Precious audience. So here today we have some barbecue. And this is a tree. And this is man. This is what a man looks like. This is a young man. That's a old man.
You guys are so mean. Papa Mike, feel free to hit him. You lie! It's so cold!
A few moments later.
always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving.